So, in the last session, we got a glimpse of the history and evolution of the programming language and also got to know few of the features in Java that made it so popular in the early days. So, now let's have a look at few of the setup that is required to execute program in Java. So, these are few of the setups that are required to write our initial Java programs. So, I have already installed the prerequisites on my local system, but you can access the link in the description. So the first and foremost that is required to write our program in Java is the JDK. JDK is nothing but the Java development kit. So it consists of all the libraries and the compilers that are required to compile and execute our program. To install JDK, you have to go to Adoptium site to install the open source JDK version. So on the Adoptium website, you can select your operating system. Mine is Windows, and you can select your architecture. Would select 64 bits, and I would need the JDK version with the latest stable one, 21. So after selecting the filters, we get the appropriate JDK version to be installed on our local system. Then you can click on the .msi version to install it on your local system, or the zip file to download the zip. So I would go ahead and install the .msi. Once I click on that, the download triggers. After completion of the download, you can run the executable to install JDK. So next what we need is an editor to write programs for Java. So at the initial stage, we would just need a simple editor. So Notepad++ is enough to write the initial programs, which are much simpler in nature. So at the initial stages, it would expose you to the features of Java, how you are able to compile and execute it using command line. Next, you can install IntelliJ IDEA, where we would be using this editor, which is a more advanced version of developer editor, and which we would be using as we start working on more of the advanced topics in Java. So Postman, Git Bash, and Docker Desktop you can install as we start working project on Java. So with this, you are ready to start working and writing code in Java. So I'll meet you in the next session where we'll learn about tokens.